A good phone mount makes driving safer and more convenient. The upgraded 3-in-1 car phone holder mount is a versatile and reliable option. It works on the dashboard, windshield, or air vent, giving drivers multiple mounting choices. Compatible with all smartphones, it is ideal for daily commutes, road trips, and rideshare drivers. This mount features a strong suction cup with 3-layer adhesive gel for a secure grip. It can handle high and low temperatures without losing suction. If it starts to weaken, simply rinse it with warm water, let it dry, and the stickiness will return. However, it works best on smooth, non-leather surfaces for maximum hold. The 360-degree rotating ball joint and telescopic arm, extending from 4.43 to 7.31 inches, allow for flexible positioning. Whether using portrait or landscape mode, drivers can adjust the angle for easy viewing while navigating or taking hands-free calls. With a one-button release, securing or removing a phone takes seconds. The mount supports phones from 4 to 7 inches, ensuring wide compatibility. A soft silicone grip prevents scratches, while the firm hold keeps the phone steady, even on bumpy roads. With strong suction, flexible positioning, and easy one-hand use, this 3-in-1 car phone mount is a great choice for safer driving. Click the link in the description to get yours today.